Are you ready with your mukbang challenge?
I don't know.
Yes.
So you have baked pumpkin, whole baked pumpkin harvested yesterday. And
Wait, weren't we supposed to give away two, or did you harvest another one? Oh, no, you already had one.
okay, let's eat. Let's eat, come on. And we have the pinaksyo bangus.
Wait, so everything on the table is edible?
This one is the pinaksyo bangus. Okay, so start now.
Except for the plants.
Start. Who wants to have sausage?
Yes, I want to have some sausage.
I grabbed my fork too.
Can I have some with lettuce?
Yeah?
Okay.
Get Moses, Gabriel. Maybe he wants to eat too.
Maybe I
No,
should.
we eat. Look at all of the food you can eat.
Okay, start now. You try the pumpkin leaves.
I'm having this.
Pumpkin
Yeah.
leaves.
Pumpkin leaves. And I have the pickle. I made the pickle, vegetable pickle.
Eat that sausage. Go.
So it's supposed to taste like it's pickled.
Yeah, I made a pickled one with chilies. Oops, it's dripping. So I put it there. Guys, you just enjoy.
Yes. My bad. I like this.
Which one do you like?
Honestly, I like this.
Stop saying that.
Martin? Just give it to him. Give him sausage.
No, he wants the pasta.
Okay. Who's hungry?
Me.
I was very hungry. I wanted this.
Okay, show that to our friends
We have friends.
on YouTube.
Sausage and lettuce and bread.
I wonder how this right underneath there.
I want this one. See in my plate. And I want to try this. The leaves of pumpkin.
Yummy. Here.
The leaves of pumpkin. With hipon.
Is that sauce?
It's the shrimp paste. Salted one. Hipon. Which one do you like, Bear?
Sausage.
Excuse me. What?
Oh. Okay. Who wants to have the pumpkin? Just get it, Martin. Where's the knife? Give me the knife.
Can I just give Gabe a fork of sausage?
No, don't give him in fork. Just let him hold, because if he have... Give me that. Thank you. So who wants pumpkin? You try this, the one from...
Yeah, I'll try. It's like pumpkin pie, except for not everything is sweet.
It does. It is a sweet pumpkin we have.
But not everything in it. I like
Yeah.
pumpkin pie. You put like whipped cream and stuff on it.
That's how it looks. I baked the whole pumpkin with fried rice inside. Okay. Excuse me, I'll get the buns.
Fish.
You want pumpkin, Moses? Hi
I'll try
guys!
some.
Nga unta. Let's eat. Akong mga kuang. Mga kasama kong kumain. You should try the squid. Subukan yung pumpkin dahon. Magkamay na lang ako. Sarap. Yum! Presko. At saka ito ang litos. Galing to sa hardin namin, mga yan ang very fresh talaga, organic yan. You should put lettuce with your sandwich.
I have one squid.
Ang laki pa ng pumpkin, hindi pa nakain. Moses. Nilagay ko sa stuffing ng pumpkin is sa rice. Ginisa ko yung rice with mixed frozen vegetables. Tapos nilagyan ko ng